Hey everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. Today we are looking at a 1980 Homelite Super XL automatic. Got a 20-inch bar and chain on there. That is a Homelite bar. Is that an Oregon chain? Yeah. Oregon 72 series. It has the coal car kind of tie strap in there. About 50% left. This is just a regular chipper chain, but it's sharp, machine sharp. Gone through, cleaned everything out thoroughly. Service the starter, new rope on that. Carb kit. It's got a new refuel hose in it. I think we put a new rim sprocket on this. Yeah, we did. New rim sprocket. So, just a good firewood saw, really. This is the perfect size. You see it used to have the muffler shield that bolted here and then bolted there, and somebody removed it, and yeah, there's no reason to put it back. So I don't think anything's been repainted on this, but there is some wrinkling on this here, so it's possible that it has been, but this is definitely factory paint. Could be a later starter cover since there's no decal on it, but whatever, it's a good runner. So let's take a listen. Run it out of fuel. There we go. Maybe. Okay, there you go. This should make a good firewood saw for one of you.